Welcome Trackify Labs YouTube channel. Basically, I work on web analytics and ads conversion tracking related work as like Facebook pixel conversion API, GA4 server side tracking, TikTok pixel conversion API, Snapchat, Reddit, Instagram, and different types of social media pixel and conversion API tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking, Google Ads call conversion tracking, and any type of form, tracking. Today I will show how to preview a GTM on website. First we need to open our GA4 Google Analytics for debug mode. Then we open our event manager website. Then first we need to copy the test event code and open the confirm your websites are set up correctly. Then we open our server GTM, click the tags, then click the conversion API tag. Then we put the test event code. If you are not paste the test event code here, your event are not deduplicated. So it is must to put the test event code here. Then we first need to preview the server GTM, then browser GTM. Click the preview button. Our server GTM will preview. Then we click the preview button on browser GTM or web GTM. We can put our website URL here. Then we click the connect. Our website is open. The tag assistant connected. Click the tag assistant. Click continue. Then we scroll the website. If we click the product item, then our website event are firing view item, and our server GTM will preview, and the event manager test event parameters will showing here. Here the page view and view content. The view content is deduplicated. So in this way we can preview our website through Google Tag Manager or GTM. Thank you so much.